Hi, I'm Jill, part of the Garden Rooms team here at Rogers Gardens. Today I'm going to give you a few gift-giving ideas for this Mother's Day. For the mom that loves to garden and be outdoors, these are a few must-haves. A wide-brim sun hat that not only provides broad protection but with bright pops of color is also fun and stylish. Gardening gloves. A good pair is hard to find. The comfort and form fit of these gloves will quickly make them a favorite. And tools. This snipper and pruner set is perfectly packaged and ready to be gifted. If mom's hobby is gardening but cooking is her passion, consider this fresh herb box with parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, and a cookbook inspired by nature to put these delicious herbs to use. A beautiful bouquet of flowers never goes out of style. There is a thoughtfulness that goes into choosing an arrangement regarding your mom's favorite color, type of flower, and style that will always be loved and appreciated. Whether you want to honor a mother, stepmother, grandmother, or aunt, you cannot go wrong with this lasting living arrangement. Planted with Phalaenopsis orchids, ferns, palms, and a little succulent buried in the lush greens, the beauty of this lasting arrangement is that the orchids will continue to bloom into the summer months.
Hi, I'm Shelley Burton and I work in the garden rooms here at Rogers Gardens. I'm here in the Bath & Body Boutique and I'm going to show you the Lolia line for your moms. We have 3 different scents. They come in soaps, lotions, fragrance, bubble bath, and these bottles are to die for. They're so pretty. And then you can also pair it with a Turkish towel, which are very soft and absorbent. You can use them as a tablecloth or a beach towel or as a shawl. As you can see, it's really a nice sized towel. So you could use it at the beach, or you could use it as a shawl. From our jewelry boutique, we have the new Catherine Weitzman line. It's a beautiful botanical line, and it's all inspired by nature. Everything is hand cast. We even have this little Mommy and Me rings that would be really nice for Mother's Day. And what a better way to present your jewelry than in a new jewelry box. This one for the modern mom, and we also have the geode jewelry box that would be perfect paired with the natural jewelry. For your convenience, we also have gift baskets available, or we can custom make one for your mom. Be sure to come and see all we have to offer that special mom here at Rogers Gardens, where we bring beauty to your home and garden.